I love everything about being a man. My son, he makes me who I am. He makes me smile and warm inside. When I provide, it fills me with hope and pride. His smile is well funny, it makes me smile too. I miss him so much when I'm stuck in the pro. His favourite word is higher, his favourite toy is Bing. At the park, he loves playing on a swing.
LJ, my heart and soul, you are my diamond sun. Completes me, makes me whole. I'm yours until the end.
I love him with all my heart, though the nappies are messy. From the day he was born, he sure did bless me. Been together for a year, time has gone so fast. Many laughs to remind me of the past. The day we got you christened, my favourite one so far. All of your family, together they travel from afar. Our future will be special with the time that we share. The love we have together that is very rare.
LJ, my heart and soul, you are my diamond sun. Completes me, makes me whole. I'm yours until the end.
Those big beautiful eyes so blue. Your blonde hair is straight but could be curly too. Every time you say mama, you brighten my life. You brought me from the darkness into the light. You have made me mature like a proper grown up. Now I want to protect you because of your love. Made me rethink everything I do. I'm now a better version of myself because of you.
LJ, my heart and soul, you are my diamond sun. Completes me, makes me whole. I'm yours until the end.
Life choices and my mental health, I handle them well. Life before you came along was a living hell. Everything used to get me down, but that you have changed. Help me turn my life around, positive and rearrange. Now everything I do is for you, my little Leighton James. Love playing catch and peekaboo, they are our favourite games. If you ever fall, I will be right there to keep you safe. In my loving arms, embrace LJ, my heart, my soul, my